what y'all been waiting to see YouTube. I already know what y'all been waiting to see. Grip check. Gotta be fresh when you on these bikes.
Oh, yes, I love her like it.
Cuz pissed off right now because I'm breathing hard as a bitch. He high as a bitch. And then I don't know what the fuck that car on over there.
Okay.
They acting weird as a bitch.
Okay.
That Malibu. And Beamer, you know, M Sport Performance. M4. You don't get no fatter than this, you know. Stars in the ceiling. All the way to the back. But, you know, we'll be out here once cuz get the wheelchair. And then catch y'all in a minute.
How we looking, guys? How we looking? We're gonna go for a little night ride, through the city. Put him up. I'm bored. And this is what we got the bike for, guys. You know? I always had 2 cars. And then I sold a car, bought a bike, bought another car. I still got 2 cars. Really 3 cars and a bike. So I keep a couple cars, couple play cars, and now I'm finna start keeping motorsport. I love these. After I get done smoking, I'm gone. Oh, y'all like me though. Y'all gotta let me know something, man. 1 minute y'all fucking with me, 1 minute y'all ain't, man. Y'all gotta subscribe. It don't cost a dime, man. It don't cost a dime.
Paragraph from the witness. Ain't no sentiment.